Hi guy! COD Mobile just released a new secondary weapon, the LCAR-9. This secondary weapon is a fully automatic pistol. Today we will test its recoil, damage, movement speed, and strafing speed. We'll try its recoil without controlling it. It has consistent recoil pattern, but still is difficult to control. Next, we'll try its damage from 5 meters to 40 meters. Headshot 27 chest, 25 arms, part 25 bottom, part 22. Headshot 24 chest, 20 to arms, part 20 to bottom, part 19. Headshot 16 chest, 15 arms, part 15 bottom, part 13. Headshot 16 chest, 15 arms, part 15 bottom, part 13. Headshot 16 chest, 15 arms, part 15 bottom, part 13. Strafing speed while adzing. Not adzing. Movement speed. Weapon switching. Thanks for watching. And thank you for the 300 sub 33. Love you all.